Good afternoon, friends. My name is Andrey Lobov. I'm the technical director of the Resurs cooperative. Today I'm in the Stavropol region. Today I'm visiting Yaroslav. Yaroslav is our partner who develops controllers for motors on combined windings Slavyanka. And today the controller is finished. It is a 1000 ampere controller. And I want to present to you the car on which the controller is installed. And I want to introduce you to Yaroslav himself. Well, let's get acquainted. Good afternoon, friends. I'm a partner of the company Resurs. The development of controllers began in 2016. First we had a DC controller, then a controller for alternating current. At first everything did not work out naturally because there was no knowledge in this field. Later it started to work out. Well, closer to 2019, I already had the first serial controller for a current of 300 amperes with a voltage of 72 volts. It was installed on a go-kart. And at this point, we have developed a 1000 ampere controller. The power is somewhere in the neighborhood of 80 or 90 kilowatts. And it is installed in the car Audi A4. The controller for a current of 1000 amperes of our own design is installed in the car. The peculiarity of the controller is that we have a Wi-Fi module, and we can customize the controller and see the parameters through an ordinary tablet or phone. No controller has it. We connected to the Wi-Fi module with an ordinary tablet and selected the inverter temperature sensor and the motor temperature sensor. Here we can see the graphs. Also here in the table, we can uncheck these checkboxes and put any other. Let's say we have the line voltage. We press the stop button, press the start button, and here we see the onboard voltage. That is, any parameter that is in the table, we can see it on the oscilloscope. Also, there is a motor with a combined winding Slavyanka. You can see it here. Power steering from an Opel car is installed. The brakes from an Audi car are installed. A controller is also used for them, as they will not work by themselves. There's a powerful contactor installed in this case. There are traction batteries, DC-DC converter, which converts the voltage from traction batteries to the voltage of the onboard network to charge the regular car battery, and the control of the batteries themselves. So, well, friends, you have entrusted me with this car. I've adapted a little bit to it, and I'm even pushing the gas. I start in third, so I don't have to change gear. Of course, the second gear is better for starting, but the third gear is enough as well. It's very smooth. Still, you can feel the power. Listen, congratulations. Congratulations. First of all, the control is amazing. I can feel it in my gut. I can feel it in my gut. Let me try and get it going. Which is better, first or second? Second if you want to go really fast. And first is not fast. I don't know. Come on, I'll start. Mamma mia, I'm forced into my seat. Great, it's so loud. I should close the window. Imagine, Andrey, this motor is only 5.5 kilowatts. It pulls so much. And what would happen if the power of the motor was 10 or 15 kilowatts? Slavyanka is great after all. I'm in third gear. Look how fast it picks up speed, thanks to the traction winding. Well, let's turn on the fourth. We originally created the controllers to then put them into mass production. And if, say, a person creates something from scratch, well, first of all, you need special knowledge, which, as a rule, is not present anywhere on the internet. I believe that electric machines are our future. And the most important thing is that all this technology is domestic. The motor is domestic. The controller is also domestic, it's Russian. Well, we've squeezed everything out of this car. We made sharp starts in second gear, and there were a lot of them. And the only thing we were able to heat up was the motor winding, 80 degrees, and the inverter is still cold, 20 degrees. In real life, no one would mess with a car like that, so everything would be even cold in temperature. So we've got a huge safety margin here. Well, friends, I have driven this car today, the Audi. What can I say about the German car industry? It's a good car, but it's the motor with the combined windings and the magnificent 1000 ampere controller, which is above all expectations. That is the controller which was developed by the company Resurs. Yaroslav, thanks a lot to him. He has been working on it for a very long time. And today I can say with confidence that the controller is successful and it can be mass-produced. I think that we'll take the controller off now and I will bring it to the conference in Moscow, so that all our partners, all our investors can see what we have created. We have created a controller for motors with combined windings. Thank you so much for following us. Goodbye. See you again.